Want to know what's next for mortgage rates? Of course, no one knows for sure, but one big factor to watch is a federal funds rate. Whenever the Federal Reserve decides to move the federal funds rate, mortgage rates generally respond. Here's the latest on three things the Fed is looking as they decide what to do next. Number one is inflation. Surely you've noticed prices going up all around you. Well, the Fed is hoping to see that rate of inflation come down to help with that. Right now, it's still higher than their target, but it's trending in the right direction. Number two, the Fed watches job growth and is looking for that to slow down to show the economy is still strong but cooling. Recently, fewer jobs have been created, which is a good sign. Number three, the unemployment rate. It's still slow, but is rising slowly. The Fed would likely want to see it go up a little bit before lowering the federal funds rate. Look, mortgage rates are tough to project, and the Fed doesn't really control them. But everyone's hoping for lower mortgage rates, and it appears the economy is moving in the right direction that the Fed wants to see. If you have any questions about this, feel free and give me a call. Carolyn Alaverdian from Real Estate by Carolyn over at Balboa Real Estate, putting you first every step of the way.